The CBS News and stations-owned KPIX San Francisco, which produces 60 hours of local news each week, has recently replaced its TV news set with an innovative AR/VR platform for its news operations. The new AR/VR system had been very successful, first with weather and then all their coverage. The technology has been applied to a wide range of subjects, from immersing viewers in San Francisco's famous fog to sports, politics, entertainment, and election coverage. The decision to go all in on AR/VR technologies was part of a wider effort by the station group to reinvent the way local news stories are presented and distributed to audiences that has led to the creation of a new hyper-local news operation in Detroit, a local news innovation lab in Texas, a dramatic expansion of the local news offered by CBS-owned stations, and other initiatives.
The National Association of Broadcasters has announced that Sean Perkins has been named Chief Marketing Officer and Senior Vice President of Global Connections and Events, GCE, where he will oversee marketing efforts for NAB Show and NAB Show New York. Perkins will drive strategies aimed at increasing engagement and visibility for NAB's premier events, reporting to Karen Chupka, Managing Director and Executive Vice President, GCE. Perkins brings more than 30 years of marketing expertise spanning business-to-business and business-to-consumer sectors, with extensive experience in industries including media, technology, digital commerce, and nonprofit. Most recently, as Vice President of Marketing at CTA, Perkins directed the comprehensive marketing and advertising efforts for CES, the association's annual trade event.
68th London Film Festival, which concluded on October 20th, has announced the winners of the Audience Awards. For Mothers, directed by Darren Thornton, was awarded Best Narrative Feature Film. Holloway, directed by Sophie Compton and Daisy Mae Hudson, received the Best Documentary Feature Film Award, and 2 Minutes, directed by Jamie Bignon, was honored as Best Short Film. In general, LFF 2024 saw 230,342 in-person audience attendances with 92% occupancy rate across screenings and events in London. Among the attendees, 49% were new to the festival in London and around the UK. The festival showcased 252 films, series, and immersive works from 79 countries, featuring 63 languages. There were 38 world premieres, 12 international premieres, and 21 European premieres, with 44% of the works created by female and non-binary filmmakers. More than 815 international and UK filmmakers, XR artists, and series creatives presented their work in the capital, and over 3,000 delegates at the industry forum.
Hit Radio AI, tagged as the AI-powered hit radio from the future, is a fully artificial intelligence-generated hit music station created in the spirit of traditional, mass-appeal top 40 stations. Operated by the Moonstruck Broadcast Group, the station's mission is to bring the best of AI music to listeners everywhere. Hit Radio AI uses a mix of today's cutting-edge AI music generators, text-to-speech systems, and sound design tools to create its broadcast imaging. Thanks to rapidly emerging new technologies, the station continually discovers new ways to innovate. Today's tools enable the creation of entire songs from a short audio snippet, on-demand editing of sections, and even generating variations that build on the original track.
Haivision Systems has launched its Haivision Play ISR. The free desktop video player was designed specifically for defense and ISR professionals. Haivision Play ISR prioritizes low-latency playback of live video with KLV metadata, while enabling users to see events unfolding in real time with metadata providing more awareness than just video alone. The geospatial information contained within KLV-formatted metadata provides the crucial context needed for a more complete understanding of mission-critical situations. Combined with solutions such as the Makito Video Encoder and Kraken Video Processing Platform, Play ISR completes Haivision's end-to-end ISR ecosystem by providing customers with a suite of products that support each critical step along ISR video workflows, from contribution from the field of operation to distribution to command and control centers, and visualization for real-time analysis and decision-making.
Dear colleagues, if you want your news to be included in Briefly, please contact us in the comments. Let's make news together.